Those are non-severe storms that are north of a front. You can tell the difference. 66 in Indy. It is 51 in Lafayette and 52 this hour in Kokomo. Certainly going to have some rumbles of thunder up there. You could have some gusts 35 to about 40, but that is not in the area of severe concern for right now. Unfortunately, a violent night unfolding across southeastern Missouri and southwestern Illinois in an area that was much more probable to have severe weather. There's still tornado warnings down there. There's been radar confirmed tornadoes. Some of them have been violent based on some of the radar data we've been looking at. I know a lot of people have been asking, do we have to worry about tornadoes tonight? I think the threat is minimal. Okay, what happens here with this line or these storms is that they become more of a line. It ups the odds that we'll have gusty wind. I think we'll definitely get 40 to 50 out of this when it comes through, and watch the clock here. It crosses over the state line around 1 in the morning, gets into the metro area sometime around 2, and it will eventually get out of the state by the time we get to 6 a.m. Now, the time it's going to take to travel the state here, definitely going to have heavy rain with this, definitely going to have some thunder. Probably going to either wake some folks up or keep them up tonight. And as I mentioned, some gusty winds. Could we have some rotation along the line? It's possible. And that's why we want you to continue to be weather aware. Once we get to 6 in the morning, the threat for severe weather is over, and then a much cooler day on tap. So we'll run down the bullet points. Stay weather aware tonight. The bulk of this gets in here after midnight. Downpours, 40 to 50 mile-per-hour gusts look likely. I think the odds of having widespread severe wind or rotation with this is less likely, but we can't necessarily rule that out, and that's why we want to make sure you have multiple ways to get any watches or warnings that might be issued. Right now, the tornado watch goes up to the Indiana-Illinois state line, to be determined if that is going to be expanded eastward. And then we want you to be aware of tomorrow, that it's going to be a cool day, it's going to be a rainy day, and temperatures that will go from near 60 early in the morning into the upper 40s and lower 50s to finish. So that's what's on deck. One more check of radar here. Again, these storms that are currently going on right now well north and northwest of Indy, those are not severe. They have some thunder and lightning with them, and they're putting down some heavy rain. But right now, we're going to have to wait on what's over across southern Illinois and Missouri. That is the main line that we've been addressing here to come in after midnight and before about 6 in the morning. So we will keep you updated. Get back to that Colts game, wet when it is, and we will have a full recap on Channel 13 after the game. Hope to see you then.